Imagine having access to over 50,000 tours across every continent, all in one place. That is exactly what TourRadar offers, with a massive online marketplace that connects travelers with tour operators from around the world. Whether you are dreaming of a safari through the Serengeti, a river cruise along the Danube, or a cultural deep dive through Southeast Asia, TourRadar has something for every type of traveler. But with such an overwhelming number of options, knowing how to navigate the platform and find the best deals can feel like a challenge. That is where this guide comes in. TourRadar is not just another travel booking site. It functions as a dedicated tour comparison platform, meaning you can browse, compare, and book multi-day tours from hundreds of different operators side by side. Unlike booking directly through a single operator, TourRadar gives you the power to evaluate pricing, itineraries, group sizes, and traveler reviews all in one window. The platform works with over 2,500 tour operators globally, ranging from budget-friendly adventure companies to premium luxury travel brands. This variety means you are never locked into one style of travel or one price point. Getting the most out of TourRadar starts with knowing how to use its search and filter tools. When you land on the home page, you can search by destination, travel style, duration, or departure date. The filter system is where the real power lies. You can narrow results by price range, group size, physical activity level, accommodation type, and even the age group the tour is designed for. If you are a solo traveler, there is a specific filter for solo-friendly tours that removes single supplements, which can save you hundreds of dollars. Using these filters strategically saves time and ensures you are only looking at tours that genuinely match your needs. Once you find a tour that catches your eye, understanding what is included in the listing is critical. Each tour page on TourRadar breaks down the itinerary day by day, lists what meals and accommodations are included, outlines the physical difficulty level, and shows the maximum group size. Pay close attention to the inclusions and exclusions section. Some tours appear affordable at first glance, but exclude flights, entrance fees, or meals, which can significantly increase the total cost. Always read the fine print and use the question feature to ask the operator directly if anything is unclear before booking. TourRadar regularly features deals and promotions that can make already competitive prices even more attractive. One of the best strategies is to use the last-minute deals section, where tour operators discount unsold spots, sometimes by as much as 40 to 60% off the original price. Early bird discounts are also common, so booking 3 to 6 months in advance can lock in significant savings. Signing up for TourRadar's email newsletter puts you first in line for flash sales and exclusive promotions. Additionally, the platform runs a best price guarantee, meaning if you find the same tour cheaper elsewhere, TourRadar will match it. With thousands of tours available, reviews become your most powerful tool for making confident decisions. TourRadar only collects reviews from verified travelers who have actually completed the tour, which makes the feedback far more trustworthy than generic online ratings. When reading reviews, look beyond the overall star rating. Focus on comments about the tour guide quality, pacing of the itinerary, and how well the operator handled unexpected situations. These details reveal far more about the actual experience than a simple number ever could. Before you finalize any booking, double-check the cancellation and refund policy, especially if your travel dates are flexible or uncertain. TourRadar's platform clearly displays each operator's policy, so there are no surprises. Consider using TourRadar's adventure specialists, who are available via live chat and can provide personalized recommendations based on your preferences and budget. Combining smart searching, strategic timing, and thorough review reading transforms TourRadar from an overwhelming catalog into a genuinely powerful travel planning tool that puts the perfect tour within reach for any traveler.